Obaseki congratulates Odigie-oyegun for his 82nd birthday. Him also give correct gboza for the deve wey Pa Oyegun don do for Naija. Governor Obaseki don knack ogbonge congrat for the ex-governor of Edo and former national chairman of All Progressive Congress (APC), Pa Chief John Odigie-oyegun, for his 82nd birthday, salute his commitment to Naija unity and deve. Obaseki say Pa Oyegun na correct politician wey know wetin im dey do. Say Oyegun political contribution to Naija no go fit compare to others. Obaseki also come wish Oyegun on behalf of Edo people wey dey for house and outside a happy 82 birthday. Obaseki come say Oyegun don do better things for ground wey plenty people go dey see. Dem go wan be like am. Say Oyegun na correct Democrat wey know himself. Obaseki tok am say for when Pa Oyegun be federal civil servant wey im become Edo governor, so Oyegun put some ogbonge things for ground wey still dey sustain deve for Edo state and Naija in general. Say make Baba God continue to bless Pa Oyegun with good health and long life wey im go live on earth. Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top Pa Chief Odigie-oyegun wey im take be 82 years old. My name na Jennifer Eyimema Ihimi from TMC TV Benin.